morning. Good morning, family. How y'all doing out there? Hope y'all doing good. All is well. Peace and prosperity. Grand rising. Whatever you say when you wake up. You know what I'm talking about. But today, straight up, I want to talk to y'all about where to buy assets. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking to buy some assets in Dominican Republic. Went there yesterday. Going to Virgin Islands today. So I'm looking to go buy some assets over there. But if you can't get there, I'm gonna give you some resources to find the assets so you can buy them. But you gotta visit them or do your due diligence first. Okay? So let me give you 5 steps real quick. Find a deal. Analyze the deal. Do your due diligence. Analyze the numbers. Make sure the numbers work. If you use debt, will the asset pay the debt and have something left over for profit? That's analyzing the deal. Or will you make at least 10% per year? So if I invest $100, will I make at least $10 per year on that 100 or more? Most people are giving like 8%, so $8 on 100 per year. That's passive. You know what I'm saying? Like active, you should be able to flip that 100 into 1,000 or a million. You know what I'm saying? If you find the right asset, and stocks can help you do that. You know what I'm saying? You can trade options like me. But anyways, find a deal, analyze the deal, do your due diligence, fund a deal, exit strategy. Find a deal, analyze the deal, do your due diligence, fund the deal, exit the deal. Whether you're wholesaling it, fixing, renting it out, or making passive income off of it, and then or flipping the deal, you exit, sell the deal. Yeah. So this is where you find the assets. First, these assets you can gain knowledge from, you can get deal flow from, you can source capital from, you can execute your plan, create a system to where you can constantly get, like, one system that I first started with, the easiest system to do is go through all these different assets, right? And then you sign up for the email list. Create a different email, sign up for the email list, and then they go send you news, updates, deal flow, you know what I'm saying? Webinars coming up, seminars coming up, all kind of stuff. So get on their list and then go to the bottom of each page and then sign up for their social media, like their LinkedIn, their YouTube, their Facebook, their Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Most of these only got like LinkedIn and Twitter. But some of them, I mean, everybody coming into the game, but they just putting social media on everything. That way they can get known, because these are companies that, like, most people didn't even know about. I had to research. This list right here took years. So some of them you gonna know, some of them you not gonna know. But the thing about it is, get to know them if you don't know them. Okay. So you got DealStream, that's where you can buy all kind of different assets. You got LoopNet, pretty sure you know that one. BizBuySell, pretty sure you know that one. T-World, Auction.com, pretty sure you know that one. AuctionZip, Bid for Assets, Zoom, that's XOME, that's where you can buy REOs, foreclosures, stuff like that. infolupcy. That's people that done went in bankruptcy. The treasurer put their assets on it's somebody that know how to go into the bankruptcy, and then they it's pretty cool. Check it out. It's spelled INFORUPTCY. Infolupcy. Okay, and then you got Realty Track, GSA auction, that's a government auction. IMN, that's where you find out what how the big boys play. Them conferences can cost you anywhere from like $2,000 to $5,000 to $50,000 to get in. You know what I'm saying? But they do have an online platform to where you can watch their webinars. They pretty cool. You can learn how the big boys invest. Remember, family, go after the people with the experience that's doing it, not somebody out here just telling you can make $1 million overnight. Like, don't do that. Adiza is an online. It's not an online, but Adiza, they starting to become more online. They've been online for a couple years. Their alternative investing conference, from anything from oil and gas, apartment complexes. I am in something like that too. But Adiza, where the big boys be. Institutional investors. Family Office Club, they big boys too. Yeah, that dude named Richard or something like that. I think that's his name. And then you got Family Office Exchange. They part of Tiger 21. Tiger 21 is the 1%, the group. So look up IMN, Adiza, Family Office Club, the Family Office Exchange Association or something like that. I forgot. Yeah, part of, and Tiger 21. Look up Tiger 21. So other places you can find assets is ListSource, BizQuest, 10X, CoStar, Distress Pro. Distress Pro is where it's a software where you can look and find notes from banks. You can source asset from banks. It's a software, and it's an educational platform, and they got interviews and podcasts and all that stuff like that. Yeah. Then you got Watermark Exchange. That's where you can buy more notes. As y'all know, I am a big note investor, a passive paper investor. That's why I can go places like this and the asset's still performing. PaperStack. PaperStack is a note platform. Craigslist. Everybody's sleeping on Craigslist. Craigslist got everything for sale. Businesses, real estate. You just go on there and type in investments. Go in there and type in real estate. Go in there, type in business for sale. Then start your negotiation process. You know what I'm saying? Look for motivated sellers, really. Somebody that you can just take over the business and sell a finance. You know what I'm saying? Try that out. Biz MLS. That's where they sell businesses. Businessbroker.net. Another place where they sell businesses. Remember, you can always go to SBA, and SBA, what I think it's called the 7A loan. Just Google SBA buy a business loan. You know what I'm saying? And then it should lead you to the right page. Business Mark. That's another place you can buy businesses. Findafranchise.com. That's where you can find all the franchises for sale. If you're into the franchise game, go findafranchise.com. Franchiseadvantage.com. Global BX. So that's a global, where you can find global businesses for sale. International Business Broker Association. That's where the big boy business brokers at. So try to get in those rooms. That way you can understand what's going on in the business buying world. Okay. What else we got? M&A source. Google that, because I don't have the exact website. M&A source. What's that? Merger Place. And then you got National Association of Realtors. Stay up to date on that real estate game, man, because it's gonna tell you who going out of business, and then those assets got to be transferred to somebody, or it's gonna tell you which way the market going. See, the thing about this diversifying in these different assets is each one of them have a market cycle. There's no bad asset out here. They just go through a market cycle. You know what I'm saying? So follow the market cycle. That's why you gotta get a portfolio of 15. I rather do 20 to 25 different assets that's uncorrelated, meaning when one down, one up. Like the S&P be down and the VIX be up, or the VIX be up. The VIX be down and the S&P SPY be up. So the VIX and the SPY are two different uncorrelated assets. That's why I always put alerts in. But I'm finna drop that video in a minute of how I'm always watching the S&P 500 and the VIX. The VIX is like a short for the it's the volatility index. You know what I'm saying, for the SPY. So yeah. Those uncorrelated assets. 1 minute one up, 1 minute down. 1 minute one up, 1 minute down. You know what I'm saying? That's why you're diversifying your portfolio, because you don't nobody know how the world or these assets go perform. Don't nobody know. You got a lot of educated guesses out here. And some of these people that time the market, you know what I'm saying, it's because they've been in it for a while, so they understand the cycles. Like Ray Dalio, he got a book, something about the world economic cycle or something like that. Look it up. Wall Street Journal, Small Business, Royalty Exchange, Treasury Direct, where you can buy a bond straight from the Treasury. They call I-bonds. And they give you, like, last time I checked, they was giving like 8, 9, 10%. I think you can only invest like a maximum of like 10,000 or something like that. But you get with the right people, it's a way around it. You know what I'm saying? Roof stock. Roof stock is where you can buy turnkey real estate. Turnkey real estate meaning real estate that already has a tenant in it. Pretty cool. Pre-REO got that too. Pre-REO got where you can buy notes and you can put a down payment on it, and then the note will pay your profit, and it will pay for the rest of the note, your debt. So you can finance the note through the platform. You give them a down payment. Once the tenant pay, you pay pre-REO or the debt, and then you take the rest of your profit. Most people do it in an IRA though. Yep. Who else we got? We got Own America. Own America will help you build your own crowdfunding platform. I think they call something else now. I forgot what they call. I'm gonna have to get back to you what they call. Private something. private something. I don't know. Look up on America. They pretty cool. That's where a lot of these people going to build their crowdfunding platform. FINRA, Reggae Plus, Google that. It'll tell you all the different crowdfunding platforms that's out here that's regulated by the SEC. You go on FINRA. Yep. I think it's FINRA, FINRA. Put FINRA in Google, put FINRA crowdfunding regulation or something like that. Because if you go on straight on FINRA, you got you click, I think you click the little menu thing, and then you should find where it say platforms we regulate or something like that. PIP group, they sell tax liens in different areas. They sell tax liens. Transon, they sell all kind of shit. Man, I think they work with the government to seize assets. I think they do. Yeah, try them out. Transon, you can buy all kind of shit from them. Deal Capital, the Alliance of Mergers and Acquisitions Advisors. Check them out. You'll find some pretty interesting things on that site. Yep. I got a lot more, but I'm gonna have to get back to y'all because I gotta get ready to go. So I hope that helped for now, and that's gonna get you started. So check it out. I'm finna get ready to go. I'll break down some more to y'all. And be good, be great. Later, family. Yep.